An important update from the Bank of England. Let's dive right in. The Bank of England has announced that its new digital currency, called Britcoin, will not replace cash in the UK. Despite advancing digital payment technology, the bank's governor, Andrew Bailey, reassured everyone that cash is here to stay. Speaking at the Group of 30's International Banking Seminar in Washington, Bailey stated that the Bank of England will provide cash for as long as people want it. He emphasized that there's a demand for cash, and the bank will continue to meet it. Bitcoin, however, aims to enhance the UK's payment systems by offering a digital currency that is secure and accessible. This digital option is part of the bank's efforts to modernize payments without phasing out physical currency. So, whether you're paying with coins or clicking away on Britcoin, it's great to know that everyone has a choice. Thanks for watching BlockZa. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on finance and cryptocurrency.